Think your cactus is invincible? Think again. Can it survive a sunless winter, or is it doomed to a slow, painful death? The truth might surprise you. Cacti are famous for surviving in the harshest deserts. But what happens when they face a different kind of challenge? Winter darkness? Today we'll dive into the science behind cactus survival and answer the big question. Will your cactus die without sunlight in winter? We all know plants need sunlight, but cacti are tough, right? Some of us keep them indoors during winter, thinking they'll be just fine. But is that actually true? What happens when a cactus is left in a dark room for weeks or months? To find out, let's look at real-life experiments and science-backed facts. And trust me, you'll want to hear this before you decide where to place your cactus this winter. Cacti rely on photosynthesis to produce energy. Without sunlight, their ability to generate food slows down drastically. But here's the twist. Most cacti naturally go dormant in winter, meaning they don't need as much sunlight as they do in summer. So does that mean they're safe in the dark? Not exactly. While cacti can tolerate lower light levels in winter, complete darkness is a different story. Without any light, their energy reserves deplete, making them weak and vulnerable to rot and disease. Some cacti can survive a few weeks without sunlight, but if kept in darkness for too long, they become pale, stretched, and eventually die. The key is balance. Low light is okay, no light is a problem. After 6 weeks, the results are clear. The cactus that receives some light is doing just fine, while the one left in darkness? Not so much. It's weak, pale, and barely holding on. So will your cactus die without sunlight in winter? If you leave it in complete darkness for too long, yes. But with even a little light, like near a window, it has a fighting chance. If you can't provide natural light, try artificial grow lights. Even a few hours of indirect light can make a huge difference. So here's the takeaway. Cacti are tough, but they're not invincible. Winter dormancy helps them survive with less sunlight, but total darkness for months? That's a death sentence. Now that you know the truth, what will you do differently this winter? Let us know in the comments. And if you love plant science, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome content. Take care of your cacti, and they'll take care of you.